Hello and welcome to the video. Today we are going to look at the metallic Casio, so the GM-2100. It is going to arrive in various colors, so you can have it in blue, in gray. I went with the green version, and as you can see, the watch is going to come inside this cardboard box. You are going to have all the information of the model and the module, so the movement inside right here. Then you will be able to see that inside you are going to find this metallic box that has the G Shock inside. Then you are going to have your booklet and also the tag. When it comes to the watch, this is a great choice for medium-sized wrists. For reference, I have a wrist of 6.5 inches, so 165 millimeters or 16.5 centimeters. And as you can see, this is a great G Shock watch for medium wrists. The watch is going to display the digital time right here, the analog time that is going to be aligned, so in sync with the digital time. Then you have the day of the week, and if you press this button, you are going to see the full date, so the year and the month. Also, you have a bunch of features. You can use the world time function, you can use the stopwatch, you can use the timer, you also have the alarms, and also you can set a bunch of things. For example, if you go right here, you can see that we can select the home city, then we have the DST function, the 12/24 hour display, setting the time and date. And also something really cool is that you can choose to have the tone on and off, and also the light function can be set for, let's say, 3 or 1.5 seconds. It is going to be activated right here. So this is a very cool watch, once again, especially for medium-sized wrists or even large wrists. So this can be your daily beater. You can go with a casual outfit, with a more sporty outfit, and also elegant, because these are going to look awesome as well. Another thing is that you have the quick release straps. This is very useful in case you want to interchange them or to clean it. And also you have the screws here that offer you the 200 meters of water resistance. So this is a very cool G Shock watch that you should definitely consider, because it is a keeper. So guys, that was the video that I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. If you are into vintage watches, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description box below, guys. And once again, if you enjoy watches, watch tutorials, watch unboxing videos, as you can see, I have 9 more Casio watches that I need to unbox right here. So make sure to subscribe if you want to check them out. And also leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on the YouTube channel, guys, and I'm going to see you on the next one.